What is universe? Universe is everything. It's include all the space and all the matters, energy, space is content. It's include the time itself. Of course, it including you. This is the universe. Then the know that what is galaxy? Galaxy is a gravitationally bound system of stars. It is a bound system of stars. The stellar elements, the internal gas, dust, dark matter. It's interstellar gas, dust, and dark matter. Then know that what is HR diagram. One of the most useful and powerful plot in astrophysics in Hertzsprung-Russell's diagram, HR diagram. It oriented 1911 when the Danish astronomer Injar Hertzsprung plot the absolute magnitude of stars against their color effective temperature. Then it is the diagram. Then it is the stellar life cycle. This is the birth stage. It is the birth stage or main sequence, old age, and it is a death time and climate. These are the next. Then know the star life cycles. The stars are born in cloud of gas, mainly hydrogen. Then and the dust that occurs throughout the universe. Occasionally, one of the cloud collapses on itself, being the hotter denser of the gravitational force are increased. This is the embryonic stage of the life of star. It's called protostar. Eventually, the gas become hot enough to start nuclear fusions, reactions, and the star being to grow. Then we know that birth and death of star. The life cycle of star depends entirely on its mass. All depend in mass. The protostar was the mass less than 0.1 of the mass of the sun. Will continue to the sink, but it will be never get to hot enough for nuclear reaction to be. It will be paired to from a smaller red star before turning cold and drying. Then nebula. It is a massive cloud. It is a massive cloud of gas and dust. It was a pictures. Then neutron star. A neutron star is incredible denser star less than 20 km diameter from during the supernova explosion. The remainder of the star core is pulled inward the immense gravitational force. They are so small that they do not glow very brightly but send out resisting radio signals. It's called pulsar. The star about the size of our sun initially glow very brightly. Then the steals down to long stable middle life the period about 10 billion years as the star ages its hydrogen used up. The surface temperature decreases. Finally, when the little hydrogen the star core sinks over outer layer expand and cooled and star was formed red giant. Then gaseous is the outer layer gaseous is an outer layer of drip into the space. What remains gas is collapsed into the small, very dense object known as white dwarf. Their stars are very small. Eventually, the white dwarf colored down and faded away. Then, star 2 to 6 times size of the sun, the most shorter but spectacular lives. Their star only lives from about 1 million years. The mass is a large star created amongst gravitational force. In a course of the star, the nuclear reactions used to fuel very rapidly, creating very bright star blue. When the fuel runs out, there tremendous outbursts of energy. It's supernova. The star's matter is blown into space, leaves nebula. When the explosion occurs, its brightness of the star increases billions times. Then supernova. There was the pictures of supernova. Then supernova, a spectacular explosion which is end of the life of the star. It is the end time life of the star. Then there's black hole. The black hole, the invisible object in space emitted X-ray, and that's through from when the most massive star explodes. After the supernova explosions, it core collapsed itself. The unluckily neutron star, there was a massive star 10 times size of sun, keep on the collapsing. The gravitational force that's created it so strong it will not even allow light to escape. The gravitational force that creates it so strong it will not even allow light to escape. This is the pictures of black hole. Yes, thank you.